Bruce went in the water, and he got up to about his tummy and said, no, that's not for him, it's too cold. So he went back and sat on the beach chair. I stayed out a little bit longer, but it was even too cold for me. And we decided that it was going to be a short day for us, and we would go back to the ship and have our lunch.
Okay, we're heading back to the ship.
Hi there. Going to the pool? Going to the pool? Where up top?
Hot tub. Yeah. That's the plan at the moment.
Take a walk. Been there last night. We tried to get off for dinner. Everybody lined up. Elevator door opens. We're standing right there. No place to go. They start cursing us out because they can't get off the elevator. What would you like me to do? Take the elevator up one floor, get off there, and come down the steps like everybody else.
Hey.
Pushing and shoving and cursing us out.
Some people make it hard though.
I'm telling you.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.